Well, my trusty iPhone 4 has a broken screen, and the charging port is no longer working. So I'm going to try and fix it. How hard can it be? Can't be that hard, right? Well, that wasn't too hard. The iPhone 4 is disassembled. I don't know if you guys can see how tiny those freaking screws are, but some are like the size of fleas. Let's see. I guess that's the motherboard. That's the little Kodak camera. Shadow, hard to get the shadow. There's the broken screen. It's off. I guess they call this thing a digitizer. It doesn't work anymore. That's the chassis of it. Pretty tiny. I've already changed the charging port. It's a new one in there now. If you can see that. It has extra tiny screws, but I can't even see them. Here's the hardware. You gotta use, you guys see that? You gotta use tweezers for these bolts. They're freaking tiny. You're gonna need a set of these. I don't think any human can see these bolts without them. And a little tool set. Extra small. I'll bring you back when we get a little further along. Alright, now there are two iPhones disassembled. One is a parts phone that turns out is not exactly the one I had, but the part that I think I need is similar enough. I think it will work. There's only a couple mounting lugs that are in the wrong place, but you don't need all the bolts, do you? Alright, two iPhones disassembled. Going back together now. Alright, the iPhone 4 is back together, and I learned that the parts phone apparently was a 4S. So the screen had a different number of mounting lugs on it, but now I have cut them off and made them fit the 4 chassis. So one-handed I will try. I'm not going to bother with the cover, I'll just power it up. How about that? Looks plenty safe, doesn't it? Let's see if it works. Ah, there's the Apple logo. Looks like it's working up. Taking its own sweet time though. I do have a few extra parts. There's some bolts. Tiny screws. All kinds of extra parts, actually. I'm not sure if it works or not. I have the Apple logo. You guys get a good reflection of my table light there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Does it work? Oh yeah, it works. Look at that. Yeah, I'm back in the game. Maybe. There we go. Yep, back in the game. Just that easy. All right.